Hey guys, it is Max here, and today it's bonfire night. Well, day really now, but tonight. I'm going to Henley tonight, and my hair's a state. So, guys, I'll see you there. But the thing is, I won't be talking there because I'll be watching the fireworks and videoing. But it's really good. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So, guys, see you at Henley.
Critters crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. As stenches in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly blues for every tomb closing to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver. For your immortal
Hey guys, you saw the fireworks and that was amazing. So guys, I had to record in the morning today because I was absolutely shattered. Went into bed when I got back and just went to sleep. So I'm doing it at the end. Sit now. So guys, you are cool, and so yeah, that's all I've got for you today. Guys, just wait and watch all my videos. See you next time.